You've probably heard the letters M.E.V, or maybe the phrase M.E.V attack. You might even know it stands for Maximal Extractable Value. But do you know what it really is and how to fight it? In the next minute or two, you will. There are a few flavors of M.E.V attacks. The most common? The sandwich attack. Here's how it works. A bot sees your trade coming. It slips in before you, buys first to push the price higher. Then, after you buy in at that inflated price, it sells, locking in profit at your expense. So, how do we push back? First, there's M.E.V protection. Turn it on and your trades route through Jito's private pool, skipping the public queue where bots are lurking. You can up your priority with a higher gas tip, especially when the network's busy, so always double check your setup. Option 2, Smart M.E.V. This kicks in automatically if M.E.V Protect is off. Trojan sends 2 transactions, one through Jito, one public. Whichever confirms first wins, the other fails. That gives you speed, enough to outrun some bots, though not all. Here, you can run a lower gas tip, but you'll also want lower slippage to limit what those bots could take. Why slippage? Because that setting defines how much the price can move before your trade rejects. The wider it is, the more room those bots have to bite. All this talk of sandwiches made me a little hungry myself. It might be time for a snack before the next video.